Hapadeng ke Jingshong Sir ke balami hadin ke Jingja ha ichamati u Symbud Myntri Rangbah uba prestun tinsong ula Maham ting yaki Seng Bhalang bakin om Pynrhem shu yakading da ke Jinggan tho ba jingpin bana jongki hakilat pathai kubur. Haba kubur bala kem ya arngut ki beriau hadin ke jingsha penyap jongki arngut ki bar jela ha ichamati uba prestun ula Maham yaki Seng Bhalang laki day nashnong ne wat na ki bar jela ru banang aiding. Ula kentu yaki Seng Bhalang ban kiar na ke jingpin kulmar bat ka an ke long halor ya baro bat ke sorkar kan le lakakam bakaday ban le.
As I said to you, my request is only this, that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because I think recently I saw even I don't know, I may call it the fake statement made, that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily the fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations.
U Symbud Myntri Rangbah